Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to find cheap flights with some great tips and tricks to help you save money on your next trip. Make sure to subscribe and comment "I subscribed," and I will try to respond to all of you. Now let's dive right into the video. 1. Use flight comparison websites. Start your search with flight comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak. These platforms aggregate data from various airlines, allowing you to compare prices and find the best deals. Use filters to refine your search based on preferred departure times, airlines, and layovers. Skyscanner, for instance, has a cheapest month feature that shows you the most affordable time to fly to your destination. Always check multiple sites to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. 2. Set fare alerts. Setting fare alerts is a great way to keep track of price changes for your desired route. Websites and apps like Airfare Watchdog, Hopper, and Google Flights allow you to set alerts for specific routes. When prices drop, you'll receive a notification, giving you the opportunity to book at the lower price. This can be particularly useful if you have flexible travel dates and can wait for the best deal to come along. 3. Be flexible with dates and times. Flexibility is key when it comes to finding cheap flights. Prices can vary significantly depending on the day of the week and the time of day you fly. Generally, midweek flights are cheaper than weekend flights. Use tools like Google Flights Date Grid and Price Graph to see how changing your dates can affect the price. Flying early in the morning or late at night can also save you money, as these times are typically less popular. 4. Consider alternative airports. Flying into or out of alternative airports can often save you money. Major cities usually have multiple airports, and sometimes smaller airports have cheaper flights. For example, if you're flying to New York, compare prices for JFK, LaGuardia, and Newark airports. Additionally, consider nearby cities that might offer lower fares. You might find that driving a bit further to a different airport can result in significant savings. 5. Book in advance, but not too far. Booking your flight well in advance can help you secure lower prices, but there's a sweet spot. Generally, the best time to book domestic flights is around 1-3 months in advance, while international flights are best booked 2-8 months in advance. Booking too far in advance can sometimes be just as expensive as last-minute bookings. Keep an eye on fare trends and book when you see a good deal. 6. Use airline miles and points. Take advantage of airline miles and credit card points to reduce the cost of your flights. Sign up for frequent flyer programs and consider using a travel rewards credit card to earn points on everyday purchases. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses that can be enough for a free flight. Make sure to use your points strategically to maximize their value, and keep an eye out for promotions and discounts offered by airlines. 7. Look for deals in error fares. Error fares are pricing mistakes made by airlines that can result in incredibly cheap flights. Websites like Secret Flying, The Flight Deal, and Airfare Watchdog specialize in finding and posting these deals. When you find an error fare, book it quickly, as airlines often correct these mistakes within hours. Additionally, subscribe to newsletters and follow travel deal websites and social media accounts to stay updated on the latest flight deals. 8. Consider budget airlines. Budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Southwest offer lower prices compared to full-service airlines. However, be aware of additional fees for things like checked baggage, seat selection, and onboard meals. Compare the total cost, including these extras, to ensure you're still getting a good deal. Budget airlines can be a great option for short flights, or if you're willing to travel light. 9. Use incognito mode or clear cookies. Airlines and travel websites sometimes track your searches and may increase prices based on your search history. To avoid this, use your browser's incognito or private browsing mode when searching for flights. Alternatively, clear your cookies before starting a new search. This can help you see the lowest prices available without any price inflation due to previous searches. 10. Check for student, senior, and group discounts. Many airlines offer discounts for students, seniors, and group travelers. If you fall into any of these categories, check the airline's website or contact their customer service to see if you're eligible for any discounts. Additionally, some travel agencies specialize in booking flights for these groups and may offer better deals. Always explore all options to ensure you're getting the best price. And there you have it, folks. Some of the best tips and tricks to find cheap flights and save money on your travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel tips and content. Until next time, happy travels!